Feeding a seagull a French fry at the beach isn't cute. You are actively training an aerial mafia to assault humans. Subscribe to Wild Rasp for more. Because generations of tourists have fed them junk food, seagulls have completely stopped hunting for fish and instead adapted to mug people. They have memorized the bright colors of fast food bags and will literally dive bomb children to steal food right out of their hands, turning a natural coastal bird into an aggressive, cholesterol-filled pest.